Hello. Today, I'll show you how to generate high-quality AI product photography from a picture. First, upload your image. I already have this cute mug, so I'll select it again. This image will be the base for our final product photo. Next, follow the link, authorize if you haven't already, and generate your Gemini API key. This is completely free. After that, insert your API key into the variable. Now let's start the scenario and wait for it to complete. The image is sent to the Gemini AI server for analysis and enhancement. AI processes it and generates a high-quality prompt optimized for product photography. Once processed, AI generates and downloads an enhanced version of the image in base64 format. Finally, the image is converted into a view-friendly format, making it ready for use in e-commerce, marketing, or social media. And here it is, your professionally enhanced product image. Try it out.